Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Irfan Hakim bin Muhammad Nazri, and my number matrix is 01 DDT 20F1121. And I am the team leader. And these are my group members.
My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Azin. My matrix number 01DDT 20F10F4.
My name is Muhammad Fadul Roslan. My matrix number 01DT21F112.
For installation part, first go to your web browser and search for Genymotion. Next, press the download Genymotion on your first link, and then it will come out like this with Land Installer Virtual Box not included and with Virtual Box. You also can find the Ubuntu one and the Mac OS one. For now, I'm going to choose the with Virtual Box. Yes. So I just press the download for Windows and press save. The downloading process, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. After you done your downloading, you can see the Genymotion 3.2.1 VBox on your download folder. So all you need to do here is just press the Genymotion, then just press OK. Just press next, and then just press install. After you press the install button, it may take some time to install the application. Then it will pop up the Oracle VM Virtual Box 6.1.14. For now, all you need to do is just press next, then press next again and next again, and just press yes and then press install. It may take some time for installing the Oracle VM, and it will pop out something like this. Just press install. And then Oracle VM Virtual Box installation is complete. Just press finish. Once the download complete, it will pop up in the login page. So just for me, I don't have an account, so just press create account. Once you already fill in your detail, just accept all the terms and conditions, then press register, and then you need to verify your email on your Gmail. After you complete the verification, the Genymotion will ask for a license. So for this one, I'm using for personal, so I'm gonna choose the personal use, and then press next, and then just accept the terms and conditions, then next. Now for the add device part, just press the plus button on top of your right, and you can search for your phones. For me, I'm gonna use the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 and this Android version 9. You also can change the processor and the Android version. And for now, just press install, will start downloading depending on how fast on your internet. Once you have done the download, it will pop up something like this, and just press the three dots on your right and then press start, and it will start the virtual device. This process may take some time. It will pop up the error because you need to restart after you install the application. After you restart your application system, then try to start the virtual device. Then you can see the virtual device is working. So this is my virtual device, Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. And you can see it's all working just like a real phone. And you can volume up and then volume down. You also can choose to silent mode. Next, you can power off your phone and power on your phone. And you can, okay, let's try for an application. We go to calendar and we can see it's all just like the phone. You can choose the day, week, month, agenda. You also can put an event. Now let's move for months. So just like phone, so you can see that. And you also can use the home button. And next we try the calculator. You can see here the calculator is working just like a normal phone. Let's press home, and all the navigation buttons are working perfectly fine. So you can just press for home, recent apps, and you can clear the recent apps. And the other button is for the settings. You also can pull down the top of your phone for the navigation volume, and you can change the brightness, and you can change the auto rotate fonts. Just like your normal phone. And here you can change the view to landscape, and you can see here I try to open the calculator. It's all changed to the landscape version. And then change the that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Irfan Hakim bin Muhammad Nazri, and I am going to show you how to use Genuine emulators. First, we open the app. Okay, then we need to add a device. If we haven't have any device that we add or before we use, we need to add a device. To add a device, we need to click at this add a virtual device button. Okay. There are many phone and device that we can choose, but the only one that I choose is only Huawei P30 Pro. Okay, let's start it. Okay, before I start, I am going to introduce at you these three buttons below of this interface. First one is before button, next home button, and at the right one is manage app button. Okay. At this device, there are many apps that we can use and features. Example like internet browser, clock, camera, gallery, files, and setting. Okay, the first one, I am going to use the internet browser. Right here, I am going to use Google as for the internet browser. I am going to search any information that I want to search. For instance, I am going to search Mario. Okay, this is the result. As we can see, there are content of Mario, like Nintendo Switch game, Nintendo Switch website about Mario, the games, the Mario games, all of it, like Super Mario 3D World, and also got any content about Mario. Next, I am going to use clock feature. Okay, for this clock feature, there are many valuable and usable features that we can use for our daily life. Example like alarm, clock, timer, and stopwatch. For alarm, we can set any time that we want. And in the function at the alarm feature, we can make it repeat for the days that we want to use it again. And we can choose the what alarm song that we want to hear. Then clock. This is what the device clock. We also have timer. Not to forget, there are also stopwatch. Next, I am going to try the contact feature. Okay, at this contact app, we can save our family or friends phone number and their information, like phone number and their email. Example, then we click save. We can also add a link, share, quick shortcut, or set a ringtone for the number. And you can also put a picture. Last but not least, I am going to show you about this phone setting. Okay, in this setting, there are network and internet, connected device, apps and notification, battery, display, sound and storage, and so on. Okay, these all are very important for this device because, example, the Wi-Fi is for to connect to the internet. Apps and notification for notification that was pop out in the notification section, like contact, clock, and search. Then battery, to display battery. Then we also got storage. Okay, this is one of the most valuable information that we got because we can see our where the storage data and we can also free up space at here. Okay, we can see the app, what what memory that makes the storage full. Okay, we can see the storage for each of the app that we install, like phone, camera, and calendar. Okay, free up space for delete an app. Okay. The most important thing for this device is system, because we can see and set our date and time, language and input, and about phone. Okay, this is available and important things to know because we can see our phone number, legal information, and Android version, plus IP address. That's only from me. Thank you.
Like Aiman and Irfan tutorial, you can choose the device or as you like, based on the device and Android version, then install. After completing the installation of the selected device, for example, now I choose Amazon Fire 7. Press on the three dot, then start. Wait for starting virtual device. Oh, before I forget, you need to reboot your PC first before you can use it. Display will come out like this. Actually, I download the new version along with VirtualBox machine, and to start a device like Amazon Fire 7, make sure the VM is running. Let's see the application that are in Amazon Fire 7. First, gallery. Tab. Let's look at the setting. Why no internet? Or maybe because I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. On Fire 7, it is not Google Play Store or App Store. It may be due to Genie version itself not including apps, compared to Notes, which has Google Play Store. Just like another Android version, Android device. So about phone, status, phone number, order number, Amazon Fire 7, Android version 6.0, Android security part level 2, version 1.0, version okay, Amazon Fire 7 spec operating system is Amazon Fire OS, dimension 7.11 by 46.63 by 0.38 inch, width is 9.9 OS, and screen size 7 inch, screen resolution 1024 by 600 pixel, CPU MediaTek MT8168, storage capacity 16 GB, and battery life 9 hours 30 minutes. Okay, Geomotion is simple to use, simple to set up, and feature-rich Android VM. It has a free version and two paid version. Indie and business. Geomotion take advantage of OpenGL capable graphic card, allowing it to be one of the fastest Android emulator. The one comparable option is HASM, enabling Android SDK emulator. A webcam and dummy webcam can be used with the emulated device. Geomotion has a selection of over 20 virtual devices including various Google, HTC, LG, Motorola, Samsung, and Sony phone and tablet. If a device that needed is not found in the library, the custom phone or tablet device can be created with RAM, screen size, and density adjusted from the range menu. And of course, some emulator have pros and cons. Like Geomotion, it was more affordable than most tablet, better spec and battery life than processor, hand-free ELISA process, and support expansible storage. And cons is sluggy performance, limited app selection, low resolution display, poor camera, and base model include ads on the lock screen, which is pros and cons between another device. Based on device, Amazon Fire 7. Pros and cons. Android OS 7 is based on Android 9 Pie. API level 28 Fire OS 7 was internally released for some Fire tablet device in 2019. Most of the tablet device from Fire OS 5, Android 5.1 level 22, the Fire 7 2019 tablet device from Fire OS 6, which is based on Android.
Question 1. Identify the difference of mobile phone operating system. For our group, there are three versions of OS that we use. First one is Fire OS, second is MIUI V10, and the last one is Harmony OS 2. Okay, all of this OS version is based on Android, which is the interface. The interface might look similar, but it is a difference, including like their graphic, their system, and their looks, and their camera. All of this might look similar, but there are differences based on their OS version.
First, we will show The question is, between the three devices in terms of security, which mobile OS is more secure? The answer is Harmony OS, because the standard of security for Harmony OS is pretty high, with Clement explaining that Huawei microkernel design protects system security from the source. This is down to a microkernel without root access, which protect the secure when it comes to system security. The use of a microkernel which has wrote 1,000ly of the amount of code. The Linux kernel has also reduced the chance of attack on the system. If you want to compare between Android and iOS, in some circles, Apple iOS operating system has long been considered the more secure of the two operating systems because iOS is closed system. Apple doesn't release its source code to apps developer. An iPhone and iPad owner cannot easily modify the codes on their own phones. This makes it hard to hacker to find vulnerabilities on iOS-powered devices. Android devices are the opposite, relying on an open source code, meaning that the owner of their device can tinker with the operating system of their phone and tablet. So, too much thinking and owner may create a weakness in their device security. Then they are manufacture themselves. If a phone maker puts out a new device with the modification to the Android operating system and there's vulnerabilities in that code, hacker will find it. But if you want to compare between Android, iOS and Windows, the winner is Windows, because Windows is the least utilized mobile OS of the three, which definitely plays in easy favor as it is less of a target. Because that Microsoft Windows Phone platform is the safety operating system available to business, while Android remains a haven for cyber criminals. So thank you.